Oh, Mike's coming. Where's Mike?
No, he's not. He's got boiling oil and stuff.
Oh, they look pretty. Pretty.
Fire.
Oh, pretty. Ooh.
Whoa. Nice chicken.
Chicken.
Smart.
I wouldn't call the man with the fire chicken.
Yeah.
There's Rachel.
Pretty.
There's Lacey.
Should I try the new one?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Oh.
Whoa. We have to hose you down, Brad?
I don't know. I'm not on fire, am I?
No.
Not yet.
Did you do the switch hands? Yeah, that's how you do it.
There it goes.
Good job.
All right. I lost one.
Nice. Good job, Brad.